In the arithmetic progression, we'll try to understand one more important problem. Find the middle term of an AP 6, 13, 20 and so on 216. Here the value of A is given. We can mark the value of A as 6. So we can calculate the value of D. D is nothing but A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 means 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6 is 7. The value of D is 7. And 216, as you know, this is last term of an arithmetic progression. Last term of an arithmetic progression is given by an. An is equal to 216. As they have given in the question, I want to calculate the middle term. To calculate the middle term, first I need to understand how many terms are there in that particular AP. Once I understand the number of terms in the AP, I can easily calculate the middle term. So to calculate the number of terms, we'll use the formula An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So we'll try to substitute the given values. An is 216. 216 is equal to the value of A. The value of A is 6. N minus 1 as it is, because I want to calculate the value of n. So the value of D is given. So the value of D is 7. So try to shift the terms and calculate the value of n. Now I am shifting this 6 to LHS. So it becomes 216 minus 6 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. 216 minus 6 is nothing but 210. Now I try to shift this 7 also to LHS. It becomes divided by 7 is equal to n minus 1. So now we'll go for the cancellation. 7 1s are 7, 3s are 21, means it becomes 30. 30 is equal to n minus 1. If I shift this minus 1 to LHS, it becomes plus 1. So n is equal to 30 plus 1. So the value of n is 31. So this 31 indicates total there are 31 terms in this particular AP. But I want to calculate the middle term of an AP. Now if you observe, the value of n is odd. So if value of n is odd, the middle term is given by, middle term is n plus 1 by 2th term. So if n is odd, then I need to go for this. N plus 1 by 2th term is the middle term. So then middle term is so the value of n is 31. So 31 plus 1 by 2 means, so 31 plus 1 is 32 divided by 2 is 16. So 16th term will be the middle term. But I want to calculate the 16th term. So 16th term is nothing but A16 I wanted to calculate. A16 is nothing but A plus 1 lesser than this. 16 is given. Then I need to write 15D. The value of A is known. The value of A is 6 plus 15 into the value of D. The value of D is known, which is 7. So try to substitute A and D in the given equation. Now the value of A is 6 plus 15 sevens are, it is 105. So 105 plus 6 is going to be 111. Therefore 16th term is 111. Hence I can write, therefore middle term of an AP is 111. So this is how we can solve this. But remember one thing, whenever n means number of terms becomes odd, then the middle term is given by n plus 1 by 2th term. So this is how we are solving this. Try to understand. We'll go for the next one. We are solving one more similar problem Find the middle term of an AP. 7, 13, 19 and so on, 241. Here the value of A is known. The value of A is 7 and the value of D can be calculated. D can be calculated with the formula A2 minus A1, which is nothing but 13 minus 7. So 13 minus 7 is 6. This is the value of D. And last term is given. Last term is AN. AN is equal to 241. As we have understood in the previous problem, to calculate the middle term, first I want to calculate total number of terms which are present in that particular AP. Now, we'll use the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So, AN value is 241. 241 is equal to the value of A. The value of A is 7 plus N minus 1 and the value of D. The value of D is 6. Now, we'll try to shift all the terms to LHS and we'll try to calculate the value of N. So, 241, if I shift this 7, it is minus 7. And if I shift this 6, it becomes divided by 6 is equal to N minus 1. 241 minus 7 divided by 6. 241 minus 7 is 234. 234 divided by 6 is equal to N minus 1. So 234 divided by 6 is 39. 39 is equal to N minus 1. Suppose if I take this minus 1 to the LHS, then the value of N becomes 40. Now you can observe. The value of N is 40 means it is an even number. Whenever even number of terms are present in the AP, there will be two middle terms. First middle term is, so middle terms are N by 2th term and N by 2 plus 1th term. So there are two middle terms whenever N becomes even. So N by 2th term means 40 divided by 2. 40 divided by 2 means middle terms are 40 by 2 means it is 20th term and N by 2 means 20 plus 1 means 21st term. There are two terms. One is 20th and another one is 21st. So first we'll try to calculate 20th term. So A20 can be calculated with the help of A plus 19D. The value of A is 7. So 7 plus 19. The value of D is 6. So 7 plus 19 into 6. First we'll try to calculate 19 into 6. 7 plus, is it 114? So 114. 7 plus 114 is nothing but 121. This is 20th term. This is one middle term. And there is one more middle term which is 21st. So 21st middle term we'll try to calculate here. 21st middle term is A21 is equal to A plus 1 lesser than this. 21 means 1 lesser than that, which is 20 Ds. So the value of A is 7 plus 20 into the value of D. The value of D is 6. So 7 plus 20 into 6, 120. So 120 plus 7, total 127. So totally there are two middle terms. One is 121 and another one is 127. So remember one more very important note. Whenever N becomes even, then there will be two middle terms. First middle term is N by 2th term and second middle term is N by 2 plus 1th middle term. So One is A20 and another one is A21.